poa. Amo story. Amo betul. Committee. Thank you so much, members of the state. Thank you so much for all that have supported us since we started preparing this end of brother. First of all is to thank the committee yenye ilipanga hii mambo. That is Jalas, Military, Grace, the other guys. Thank you so much for the show that we did last time. Thank you so much. We were able to collect more than $1 million in Japan, which inaweza confirm umepokea hela. Yes, thank you so much for the contribution. We'll take a few questions and then from there we will give you what is expected next from here and how we will be able to be going to Sega to see of our brother. So I'll ask Eric and the family is here. See if our condolences on the plan. We are all in this together. Our brother. Fred was a brother. Fred was a darling to many of us. And everyone has a journey with Fred. Everyone has something to say about Fred. So we just want to thank everyone there who made it, who did not make it. Thank you so much for standing with Eric and the family at this time. So nataka tu maswali kidogo alafu nitakuruhusu tuendelee na program ya leo. So yes, karibu. Really put on something. Nitarudia kamera juu content kidogo. Moja kungua ni kwa nini? Mine is just to see walimpigia Jalas pamoja na Chachi na Terence wakaniweza kwa vile we were to bury Fred last Saturday. Yes, immediately. Nikapigia na Terence na Jalas na Chachi wakaniambia Fred ni ndugu yako lakini matanga si yako. Yeah? So they told me he's your brother but the funeral is not yours. So they took over everything. Waka-organize show Kadivo. It was overwhelming. Watu walikuja sana. Waka-raise dough over a million shillings. Wakenya pia wakalipa limchumia dough. So the support has been overwhelming. From Lynn, from Mama Lynn, from the media, yani kila mtu. Asante sana Terence kwa kunitoa jela. Ndio nishiko siku mbaya bana. Nishiko siku mbaya sana. But ni sawa. So mine is just to say thank you. Wacha tupeleke to go home to mpumzishe. Mimi nimepumzika vizuri sana. Tumekuwa ushago tukipanga na nikipumzika. So Njiri?
Yes.
So
we have
maybe Sandra can say something. Sandra, we have worked with him this journey
aseme mawili matatu, then I'll give you what we need to do after here.
Yeah.
Machache.
So yeah, machache kwa ufupi. Thank you so much guys for coming. It is so sad. You know, as a country we are mourning and we'll continue to mourn for some time. But losing Fred Omondi was I don't know, it's so sad. So sad. Hiyo ndio njia yetu sisi wote. Najua tutaenda, time ndio tujui ni gani. But let's celebrate him for a life well lived. Amen?
Amen.
Kwa mafupi nimemaliza.